All right. Yeah, I want to show you a little bit about how PlazSales can help a business and some of the basics. So this is the main window in PlazSales, probably the favorite one. It is the sales screen. On here, you can add items to the menu, create your own menus. But if you want to purchase something like a cheeseburger, you just click on the cheeseburger. You can add modifiers. You can search for items, like if you wanted the pizza, or you could type in a barcode and see once I put in the pizza, it had suggested upsells of pepperoni or extra cheese, and those are all customizable. You can have a customer, and you can change the quantities, you can add notes, and then you have your different payment options down in the bottom right. So it's really easy to use. I'm going to show you a couple other features in PlazSales. So it has accounting built in. So the point of the purchase order, receiving voucher, bills, and checks. So it makes it really easy to keep track of accounting. Like if you want to write a check to a vendor, you just select the name of the vendor, and then you can just add items, or you can add expense accounts as well too, like cleaning, or you could add a product like a computer. So whatever you guys are purchasing and paying for works out really well. And items can go in the inventory and they track. So keeps track of quantity on hand, quantity on hold, quantity on order, desired quantity. So makes it really easy. All your items are on the left, and there's an unlimited number of items allowed in the database. So it works out really well. There's no maximum number of items you can put in there, so it's pretty cool. Employees can clock in and clock out. You can, and then they just put in their password, or they can do PIN number or biometric, like a fingerprint reader. You can do the keep track of miles. You can do lunch minutes. You can put in notes, so it's really easy to keep track of all the payroll-related items there. There's an Outlook-style calendar, and so you can keep track of all your employee schedules, appointments, customer appointments, and you can have multiple calendars, so it's a really cool feature. There is customers and tickets can be tracked in here, so you don't have to do tickets, but that's a great way to keep track of like a big sale or a service-related ticket. So you can do for us, and these are all customizable, but for us we had to do like a new computer. So we would ask the customer, do you want data transfer? Do you want monthly maintenance? Do you want virus protection? Do you want backup? And then all the customer info, so first name, last name, email, phone numbers, address. Makes it really easy to keep track of everything related to the customer and the service or sale. You can do pricing discounts, so you can have like sales, company-wide sales or department sales, happy hour. You can do reporting, custom reports in the PlazSales, so you can create your own commission reports. You can do modify existing reports, and you can customize them however you want. So you can add your own items, or you can just drag around the existing items. Just click and drag. You can add items from the right side. And you can add things like charts, barcodes, gauges, spark lines, all pivot grids, all kinds of really cool stuff. You can even do scripts. So if you want to do some custom coding, the scripts works out really well for that. For restaurants, you can do a seating chart, or sometimes people have a waiting list for other businesses as well too. So I think that's really helpful as well too. So you can have a reservation list, you can have a seating list, and on the tables, for example, here you can add new guests to a table. You can change the status of an existing table. So it's a really easy to use interface, and PlazSales is always improving as well too. So there's updates available from time to time. You can import data from QuickBooks, so it's a really good option if you've got existing data in QuickBooks. and you can use PlazSales entirely. So you can switch from QuickBooks and use PlazSales for your accounting, because PlazSales has everything you need in it. You can import items from your existing point of sale system, and you can change your accounts. Employees can view their clock in and clock out data. Accountants can view the general journal. You can easily manage almost everything from the home page, or you can use the ribbon buttons at the top of the screen. And you can adjust your menus in the FastPick editor. And then there's a need to call list, a needs work list, and a leads list, so you can keep track of all of your tickets and customers, and make sure you're taking care of everything in the fastest possible order. So yeah, if you have any questions, send me a message or give me a call, 636-256-7901. Again, that's 636-256-7901. Thanks.